So g'day and welcome. So in today's debauchery we're going to have a go at fixing this inline sander which went under a flood in a cyclone about 3 years ago, and I'm just getting to it today. You know why I'm getting to it today? Because I fucking will need it. That's why. And I've just gone online and had a look, and they're going for around 270 bucks Australian. So yeah, that's ridiculous. So anyway, I am going to pull this to bits and see if we can get it running again, because well, you know, my favourite expression is it's broken, so I can't fuck it any worse. You know, it doesn't work, so let's have a go and see what we can do, shall we? Yeah, I don't like my chances, but what the hell? I only got to lose a few hours, I suppose. What's going on there? I'm just wondering how fucked up this actually really is. It's very loose this way, like this, which is not real good. Seems to be a bit of rust in here. Yeah, a bit of this, bit of that, bit of everything. Alright, first thing I need to do is go and high pressure clean the bastard, because it's just absolutely chockers full of mud. So I'm going to go do that, and we'll be back, because I don't want to be fighting with all the dirt and trying to clean it off as it is. So alright, back in a minute. Alright, well, here we go. See if I can turn that fan down a little bit so it's not absolutely blasting the crap out of yous. It is really fucking hot here today though. Even though it's overcast, it's still like 35 degrees or something Celsius. So alright, well that looks better. The thing is, the flood water that come through here, I got up in the middle of downtown, so there's a lot of service stations around, and they obviously had a lot of petrol and fucking oil and shit like that come through, and it's fucking just stripped the paint off everything around here. So well, I wonder if we can make this a really short video and just change the oil, plug the air into it, and see if there's any chance it'll just run as is. Yeah, she's a bit gummed and fouled up in there. Yeah, not much coming out of there, but a bit of water. Oh, there we go, a lot of water. We're just rocking it from side to side and tipping it upside down, and alright, well, I couldn't find my oil squirter, but we'll just use a bit of Penrite that we've got here. A few drops of this in here. Rubber seal any good? Might put a drop of oil on it. I have got some replacement O-rings around here. I'll do it. buttons, I will put a replacement O-ring on it if I remember. That in there like such. Now, put a couple of drops in here. More than a couple of drops actually, like a shit ton. Like such. It's going to blow out all over the place, but it's alright. That's if it even works. It'd be really nice if this just worked. It'd save me a lot of time. But after spending 2-3 days underwater and then spending 3 years sitting in a pile of tools, yeah, fuck you too, to be fixed. What do you fucking know? Not very nice looking oil coming out of it, but yeah, there you go. Doesn't seem like it's in the most fantastic of conditions, but it might at least get the job done. Beautiful. Alright, well there you go. That was a quick fucking video. I just saved myself 270 bucks. Well, not really, because I'm going to have to buy another one. But it will get me by for the next week or so, I think, I hope. Until at least I can get one brought in. Anyway, sent to me. So, alrighty. Well, check out one of my other videos. I've got a ton of them. Till next time, we'll see you around like a wristlow trendsetters. Ciao, ciao. Stay safe. Don't let the COVID bite.
Techno.